arithmetic expansions in shell. The shell allows arithmetics to be performed by an expansion. So this allows us to use the shell prompt as a calculator. So for example, let's do this. Echo, and now we're gonna do here braces, braces here. And for example, 2 plus 2. And as you can see here, we got an 4. So arithmetic expansions you can be used like this. For example, you will firstly, let's actually use our grommet. So you will use the expansion, the $sign, and after that, 2 braces here, and you write your expression here, expression. Here, now use 2 curly braces again, and after that, that's it. So of course, don't forget to write your echo command before then. So here we have just an empty space. So where expression is an arithmetic expression consisting of values and arithmetic operators. So arithmetic expansion supports only integers, whole numbers, no decimals, but can perform quite a number of different operations. So for example, it can be used for addition, for subtraction, for multiplication, for division. But remember, since expansion supports only integer arithmetic, the results is gonna be always integer output. And it also supports modulo, which simply means reminder, and we also have exponential, which is 2 here. So we also have an exponentation here. So spaces are not significant in arithmetic operations, and expressions can be nested. For example, here, let's do another example like this. So for example, let's write echo here. So we will write nested expression right here, and after that 2 braces again, after $sign, and now 5 multiplication 2. This is not a multiplication, actually it's exponentation, and after that we will use that 3. And here let's see the results here. So single parenthesis, this is our results here. So a single parenthesis may be used to group multiple sub-expressions. With this technique, you can rewrite the previous example and get the same result using the single expression instead of 2. And we can also write the strings and mix it together. So echo, for example, 5 divided by 2 equals, and after that we will enter our division here. So 5 divided by 2, and here, and as you can see here, 5 divided by 2 equals 2. Yeah, that's actually not a that's actually true, but and I said earlier that these expressions in echo supports only integer arithmetic, and the result is gonna be integers.